आप हमसे हमारी जिंदगी मांग लेते, हम आपको खुशी खुशी दे देते, पर आपने तो हमसे हमारा गुरूर छीन लिया।
मटकाऊं मैं कमरिया धीरे 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 धीरे, सैया जी सामने बैठे जाम पी रही।
Hello everyone, I am Vishal Soni. Today we're gonna build a simplest robot which is based on Arduino Nano and servos. For this project you need a plastic body. You can buy it online. I will give you link in description, or you can print yourself. I will give you STL file on my GitHub page. You need 4 SG90 servos. 2 of them is here and 2 of them are already inserted in body. You need a Arduino Nano, a programming cable, a pin expansion shield, a ultrasonic module, a 134 N3P charging plus 5 volt boost module, a 3.7 volt 1000 mAh battery, a gel based super glue, a screwdriver and some screws. These servo top are already come with servos, a on off switch, some female to female wires. Take 2 servos and mount it here. As you can see, I have mounted it via screws. Take this type of servo top and cut it from top so it can fit in legs. As you can see, I already did this. So put some super glue to hold it in place. Take another 2 servos and this hole is for servo wire. So insert the wire inside the hole. These hole to pass the wire inside the body. So put the wire inside these holes. Mount servo legs on the servo like this. Do it with both. Now we will set servo at 90 degree. Take pin expansion shield and insert Arduino. Connect this both leg servo on 9th pin and 10th pin like this. Make sure yellow wire is facing Arduino. Connect Arduino with PC. Open servo post set code and make sure your board and port are correct. Now upload the code. Now servo turns to 90 degree. Remove legs and insert it again on the top of servo in vertical position. Take a magnet, put it on screwdriver. Now screw can stick on the screwdriver. Now hold your leg with one hand and screw it with another hand. Do it with both. Disconnect servo from Arduino shield. Now take a close look. Pull wire of feed servo and fit it on the leg. Pull wire again carefully to make it tight. Do it with both servos. Take a screw and screw it here. Now connect both feed servo at 9 and 10th pin of expansion shield. Connect your Arduino with PC. Program is already uploaded, so no need to upload it again. Now these servo are at 90 degree. Now take this servo top and cut it like this so it can fit in feet. Screw both servo top on the servos. First of all, put feet on the servo top and with little pressure push it inside. Do the same with both fits. Take this 139 N3P module and remove USB port from it. Connect positive terminal of battery at B plus and negative at B minus. Connect a wire at G pin, which is ground, and V pin, which is 5 volt. 5 volt is going through a switch. Remove this DC jack from the pin expansion shield. Connect ground here and VCC is going through a switch and it will connect it to a V-in pin. Let's test this switch. It is working perfectly. Take upper part of your robot and insert ultrasonic inside it. Now insert the shield on the upper part of your robot. You are thinking the battery is not connected here. I have forgot to shoot it before, so don't worry about it. Screw the shield with help of screws. I have used string tube to make it tight on the place. First of all, let's connect these servos. Take a left servo and connect it at 8th pin. Make sure yellow wire is facing Arduino and brown wire, which is ground, is facing outside. Take a right servo, connect it on 9th pin. Let's connect these feet servo. Connect left feet servo at 10th pin. Connect right feet servo at 11th pin. Take this type of female to female wire and connect VCC and ground of ultrasonic to the VCC and ground of expansion shield. Connect triggering pin at 2 and echo pin at 3. Put some hot glue and fit the charging module at the place so it can face outside of the body. Fix this switch with help of hot glue. You can see the switch below the body. Put all the thing inside the body and now your robot is ready. I have used pen refill to make a cap for a switch. Download the folder from my GitHub page via link given in description. Open Autorobot code folder, then click on library folder. Copy this folder and go to the document and then Arduino folder and then library folder. Paste the folder here. Now come again in downloaded folder. You can upload any of code from these code. Let's upload object avoiding code. So click on the object avoiding code. Make sure your Arduino is connected with your PC. Now check your board and your port is correct. And put your robot upside down. Now click on the upload button. Once your program is uploaded, your robot is start running. As you can see, anything comes in front of robot stops, walk little bit back and turn little bit right. You can upload any other program comes with the library, but make sure to change the ultrasonic and servos pin. In future video, I will connect Bluetooth so you can control it from your mobile, and I will connect speaker so you can talk to the robot. Make sure you have subscribed my channel so you can get notification of my future videos.